3 disputes, that's it. Someone that I was researching sent certified letters to all 3 bureaus. And 90 days later, their points jumped 90 points. But here's the part that nobody's talking about. They used their new credit to fund a residual income stream. And the numbers that actually followed month after month are crazy. They're worth knowing about. So let me tell you exactly what happened. The 3 items that were dragging their score down were all inaccurate. One was a late payment that was not actually late. One was a collection balance that was already been paid. And the third was an inquiry they never authorized. 3 errors, 3 certified letters. That's the move. 3 certified letters. Certified mail, not online disputes. Because certified mail creates a paper trail that bureaus can't ignore. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, they're legally required to investigate within 30 days. And when an item can't be verified, it has to come off. And here's what gets interesting. Most people hear about 90 points in 90 days, and they think it sounds too clean. So let me tell you the actual timeline. The first deletion hit at day 31. The score 40 points almost overnight because that late payment that was never actually late has been sitting there on their desk, suppressing the file the entire time. The second item cleared around 52 days, and another 25 points went up. The third took the full 90 days. And when it finally dropped off, the remaining 25 points followed up. Each deletion was tied to a specific item they had disputed in writing with documentation because they had it certified. This wasn't a mystery. It wasn't a wait and pray and hope that it gets dropped or found or taken. It was concrete 90-day window they could see moving in real time, deletion by deletion. You can plan around that, but the score jump isn't the real story. That credit improved their score, which gave them breathing room, lower interest rates and better terms, less money bleeding out every month to debt costs they shouldn't have been carrying in the first place. Instead of just sitting on that savings, they redirected in a simple online income stream that pays them residually every month and week and bi-weekly with monthly income, bonuses, and overrides, even on the days they don't touch it. The first month, modest, not bad, but by month 3, it was covering their car payment. By 6 months, it had replaced a part-time job. Now, I know what you're thinking, because they were thinking that same thing. This person been burned before. How many people have been burned before? I have, okay? Hype programs that disappeared after the first payment, systems that required you to be a full-time salesperson just to break even. So what made this different? 2 things. Well, they record a video, or video's been recorded for them, which delivers the information when people are interested. And the math to getting the profit was straightforward enough that it didn't feel like a leap of faith. It felt like a decision, and it worked. By the way, if you want to know how someone goes from fixing their credit to creating residual income that actually shows every month, every other week, or every week, full framework is that, give you the information below in the comment. And if you want to know about the video, I'll put that in the comments too. So you can take a look at the video, go check out my website, and after you finish watching it, get back to me. So how do I get started? And we set up a time to talk so I can answer your questions. Follow me for more tips.